This one paper controls your entire semester, and nobody uses it right. You're stressing all semester while smart students already saw the future. Your brain hates uncertainty. When you see all deadlines early, stress drops and control increases. This creates a mental map, better focus, less procrastination. First day of class, professor drops the syllabus. Everyone just scrolls past it like it's nothing. But the top students, nah. They treat it like a cheat code. They already know when exams hit, when assignments are due, when things get crazy. So while you're panicking last minute, they're chillin', low-key, ahead of everything. No cap, the whole semester is literally spoiled on page 1. Step 1. Scan it like a hacker. Look for exams, quizzes, assignments. Circle important dates. Step 2. Transfer everything. Put all deadlines into Google Calendar, Notion, phone reminders. Step 3. Find danger weeks. Weeks with multiple deadlines equals high stress. Prepare early for those. Step 4. Reverse plan. Assignment due in 10 days? Start 5 days earlier. Step 5. Weekly check-in. Every Sunday, review what's coming.